Number three on this 8-step journey is don't stay here. In other words, once we take a good look at where we're at and, break out the handkerchief and cry a little bit, and mourn over what could have been and should have been, at some point we got to say, you know what, I'm just not going to stay here. I'm just not going to stay here. I'm not going to live in this situation. I'm not going to stay in this situation. I'm not going to just accept my facts as my destiny. It just happens. I'm just happen to be at this latitude and longitude right now, but I'm not going to stay here. And so the subtitle of that, which is the title of a book I'm writing, Miracles Happen When You Make Movement. In other words, if you really want to create something in terms of your future, it's going to require some initiative on your part.